Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to play with some crazy, slimy, all kinds of gooiness. So if you are excited for this, let's dive right in. So let's dive into this crazy, slimy cake batter crunch. We'll take the lid off. Give it a smell. It smells kind of weird. And then we're just gonna dump it out. Oh. Oh. And then we're gonna, oh gosh, it's cold. We're gonna mix it all together. Got the different colors. It's slimy. And it's got little styrofoam bits. And beads. And it's like bloppy. Mix all of this in. It feels so gross. Yucky. But it also feels really cool. And you can see all the colors. You can stretch it. All right, well, let's put this one back in. Next, we're gonna open up this cupcake frosting. Let's take the lid off. Kiwi. Let's just pour it on there. Oh.
Gross.
Oh, this one feels cool too. Look at all the colors. Gotta mix everything up and squish it. Oh my gosh! There's little hearts. Oh, we got a heart out. A heart. Should put it back in. Oh my gosh. Runaway hearts. Runaway beads. Oh, runaway beads. Oh gosh, let's pick up all our beads. All right, I think it's time to put this one back. Next, we're gonna open up this kiwi cube. You can see there's like chunks of kiwi in here. And some beads. Oh. These could be like the seeds of a kiwi. Oh, and there's all those chunks. They smell kind of weird too. They smell a lot like soap. Let's mix this one in. This one's lots of goopy. Runaway beads. Ah. Chunks. All right, let's put this one away. Blech. Thanks for playing with this crazy slimy with us today. Come join us again next time, and maybe we will hide some things in our slimies. See you next time. Bye.